Hello everyone, I'm Praveen Kumar, VLSA faculty from Neosec Technologies. Today I'm going to give a short intro about our institute Neosec Technologies. It is a VLSA training institute located in Bangalore, founded by a group of professionals with a motto to provide VLSA career opportunities for fresh graduates and aspiring electronics engineers in semiconductor industry. At our institute, we provide world-class online VLSA trainings with expert faculties from industry who are having 15 plus years of experience in VLSI chip design. Today I'm going to give a course highlights of our all trainings that we provide in our institute. All our courses are taught by working industry professionals who are having 15 plus years of experience. All our course modules are designed as per the industry requirement based on the feedback given by VLSI experts in various job roles in VLSI industry. Each of our course module gives in-depth knowledge with the practical approach so that engineers can work and excel and improve their knowledge. Course lectures are conducted during weekdays and weekends with theory and practical sessions covered. Course modules are designed to cover 60% of the practical sessions and the remaining 40% is covered as a theory lecture. Study material is provided for each topic we teach in our online classes. This helps and enhance the student skills in their further readings. In this training, at the end of each module, we provide assignments and lab sessions. Students can work on that assignments and lab session in their dedicated time. In all our courses, we use industry standard tools for lab sessions. At the end of every course, there will be a placement assistance provided based on the student performance and the completeness of the course. Coming to the VLSI trainings that we provide in Neosec Technologies, following are the courses: Advanced ASIC Design using Verilog and System Verilog, VLSI Design Verification using System Verilog and UVM, VLSI RTL Synthesis and STA, Advanced VLSI DFT Design, VLSI Physical Design, VLSI Full Custom Design, VLSI Analog Circuit Design, and VLSI Analog Layout Design. Coming to the topics covered in each VLSI training. So first, we go into Advanced ASIC Design using Verilog and System Verilog. In this course, following topics are covered: Introduction to VLSI Design, Advanced Digital Design and CMOS Design Fundamentals, RTL Design using Verilog and System Verilog, Design Abstraction and Strategies in RTL Design for various ICs and components, and Clock Domain Crossing Techniques, Low Power Design Techniques, Design for Performance, so on. Coming to VLSI Design Verification using System Verilog and UVM course, following topics are covered: Introduction to Verification Language, Verification Process in ASIC Flow, Timing Verification Process, System Verilog Interfaces and Program Constructs, and OOPS concepts, Final Blocks, Inter-Process Communication and DPI, Random-Based Directed Testing, Functional Coverage and Code Coverage, UVM-based verification concepts. Coming to VLSI RTL Synthesis and STA, in this course, we cover following topics: Semiconductor Technologies and CMOS Fundamentals, ASIC Design Standard Cell Libraries and Flow Setup, Review of Synthesis Principle, and Synthesis of various design modules, techniques. And along with that, we discuss about synthesis constraints writing and implementation, and performance checks like timing, area, and power analysis, low power synthesis using UPF constraints, static timing analysis, delay calculation, parasitic extraction, and timing checks. Timing exceptions are the topics that we cover in this course. Coming to advanced VLSI DFT design, following topics are covered in this course: ASIC design flow and design for testability introduction, DFT scan requirements, block level and SOC level DFT design techniques, introduction to logic-based and DFT-based architecture, DFT scan insertion and DFT scan violation and fixes. And we cover advanced DFT concepts like DFT scan compression technique, test pattern generation using ATPG flows, ATPG pattern generation concepts, ATPG fault modeling, and simulation techniques. Coming to VLSI physical design course, in this course we cover following topics: introduction to VLSI digital design, semiconductor technologies and CMOS fundamentals, ASIC design flows, ASIC design standard cell libraries, and design flow setup. Review of synthesis principles and synthesis of design modules, pre-layout design partitioning and planning, design floor planning and power planning and design placement, clock tree synthesis, timing analysis and routing, detailed timing analysis, parasitic extraction, and post-parasitic extraction timing optimizations, post-route design checks and sign-off techniques. And coming to VLSI full custom design, following topics are covered in this course: introduction to digital integrated circuit and layout design, IC fabrication flows, introduction to digital layout concepts, introduction to layout editor tools and standard cell layout design, layout of discrete components, layout design techniques, layout design checks like DRC, LVS, IR, signal integrity, and antenna checks, digital layout IC design, and then memory layout designs. Coming to VLSI analog circuit design course, following topics are covered: electronic device basics, analog circuit basics, analog design challenges, differential circuit design and op-amp circuit designs, analog components like memories, ADC, DAC, PGR, VCO, and PLL circuits, analog building blocks like analog IP and module design using analog building blocks. Coming to VLSI analog layout design course, following topics are covered: introduction to analog circuit and layout design, IC fabrication flow, introduction to analog layout concepts, introduction to layout editor tools and standard cell layout design, layout or discrete components, and layout design techniques, layout design checks, DRC, LVS, IR, signal integrity, and antenna checks, analog design, layout design techniques, memory layout design techniques, and in final project, we give following projects like BGR, band gap reference, ADC, DAC, VCO, and PLL layouts. So these are the course covered at our institute. Coming to course eligibility, following are the criteria for getting admission into various courses that we discussed till now. So prerequisites: aspiring students should have electronics major as a subject in either BE, BTech, ME, MTech with at least 60% of academic score, and should have a basic knowledge in electronic design circuits, CMOS fundamentals, good at logical and analytical ability. Coming to admission procedure, selection is based on academic merit and personal interviews for eligible candidates. Outstanding performers will get a special concession in fees, and working VLSI software professionals will get direct admission at our courses. Coming to grading and certification, all the participants who fulfill course requirements and good credits scored in topic-wise exams will be awarded with a course completion certificate. Placement assistance, 100% placement assistance will be provided to all students on successful completion of their courses. And duration, all courses have a duration of 4 to 6 months with a full-time regular weekly and weekend options. Course duration varies based on the course. Minimum is 4 months and maximum is 6 months. Thank you everyone.